Okay, let's find out how to power up steam generated by heat. And we are gonna take a steamboat trip. First, what we need, copper pipe. We are gonna make a 6 rotating, so we need a light copper pipe is required. And it should have a hole for water. Glue gun, pen, ruler, tail light candle, torch, glue sticks, injector. This is necessary to put water in the pipe. Knife, wooden plank. We need 4 of them. Are you ready to make? Let's get it! Oh my god, I really like to draw a line, right? Better than nothing. I'm gonna make a streamline shape to speed up. This is template, you can refer to it. Alright, first thing what I do is to create a boat body following template. Second, wind the copper pipe 6 times and make a steam heater. Third, jam the steamboats following the template. Fourth, decorate the bottom of the ship with a foam board. It is optional.
Just know that there are people there for you, whether you're aware of it or not. It's a really hard time for you, I promise you. It takes time and a little bit of effort. I know you won't believe me at first, but you just have to have a little bit of faith and a little bit of hope. If you're listening to this, just know that I believe in you.
Fifth, after complete the steamboat, operate it and observe. Six, fill in the water in the injector. Seventh, fill the copper pipe with water in the injector. Check the water comes out through the other pipe. Eighth, turn the tail light candles. Ninth, place the tail light candle under the copper pipe. See, it moves! Amazing! I'm gonna carry this boat to the river or big waterfall and then take a video, then show you the wonderful clip. When you hit the copper pipe, the air in the copper pipe expands and the boat moves with the force of steam of the inflated foam. The law of action and reaction. The power of the action of motion comes against the power of the water vapor. About 4 degrees of water becomes 100 degrees of water vapor. The volume is about 1,700 times the original volume, so powerful. Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press like. Big thumbs up! Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.